The Motorola Edge 70 Ultra comes with a powerful triple camera setup featuring high-resolution sensors, optical image stabilization, ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, along with a sharp selfie camera. So today, we're going to fully test how good it really is. First, we'll start with daylight photography to check color accuracy, detail, and dynamic range, focusing on how well it balances bright skies and shadows while keeping natural-looking colors. Then we'll move to portrait mode to see edge detection, background blur quality, and how well it handles skin tones without over-smoothing. After that, we'll test zoom performance by shooting at 1x, 3x optical zoom, and then higher digital zoom levels to compare how much detail is retained. Low light and night mode testing is next, where we'll check brightness, noise control, and sharpness to see how well the phone performs in challenging lighting conditions. For video recording, we'll test stabilization, autofocus, exposure handling, and microphone quality in both walking and panning shots to judge smoothness and clarity. Selfie camera performance will also be tested for detail, HDR handling, and portrait selfie quality. Finally, we'll explore Pro Mode to see how manual controls like ISO, shutter speed, and focus can enhance creativity. Overall, we'll evaluate whether the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra delivers flagship-level camera performance in real-world photography and videography.